Hi, I'm Michelle. You will know me better as Line Art on YouTube and social media. I'm an Australian artist and illustrator, and I also make YouTube videos, tutorials for you guys. This is the first one I've ever spoken on, so bear with me. I'm not good at this and it's a bit daunting, but I will get better, I promise. This is a little painting that I was doing last night in front of the TV on my iPad. I use the app Procreate for it, and it's just great. I love using it. Here I'm beginning to block in colours, laying down the skin tones, hair colours, the colours that I want to use throughout the painting. These are the local colours at the moment. My background colour. Skin's made up of so many colours. You've got the blood underneath, you know, around the eyes, depending on the skin tone, there'll be some greens and some purples. And the cheeks will be pinker, and areas like your ears have a lot of pink in them, the lips. Adding some spatter and just grunging it up a little bit, giving it some texture to start off with. A lot of this will get painted over, but yeah, it's great to start with and adds a little bit of extra to the painting, extra colour and nice texture. I'm getting to add the lights and the darks here. My light source coming from the front right hand side where I'm facing the canvas. Oh my god, sorry about that. That's my lorikeet you can hear in the background. He's very noisy. Now I'm adding the hair. The brush I use for the hair is a waveform brush. It has some harder edges, a bit of softness in the middle of the stroke. It creates these nice blends like hairline, where your hair meets your scalp. It's not a harsh flat line. You really need to blend it in. Throughout the skin and the clothing, I pretty much use the same brush. It's my favourite brush in Procreate. It's got nice hard edges to create the eyelids and those harder areas like where the nose meets the cheeks, that sort of thing, but it also blends as the ends of it are very soft. To build up form and anatomy, you really need to show the harder edges where the planes of the face change, and then you need to blend the softness, the roundness of the cheeks, the roundness across the scalp, that type of thing, the forehead. Here you'll see me blending. Those hard edges are just as important though. The top eyelids, the bottom eyelids, the edge of the nose. You don't use lines. It's the hard edges of that brush stroke. Blend one side, leave one side hard. Here I'm working on the eyes. Remember, the eyelids cast a shadow onto the eyeballs, and so on. That bit of sparkle to the eye just brings the whole portrait alive. I love that. I constantly paint, erase, blend. Thinking about the form, the structure underneath, the skeletal form underneath the skin. It's always good to have a story behind what you're painting. You don't have to tell everyone what the story is, but just have it in your head, what you want to bring across, who the person is that you're painting, or where is the place that you're painting, what story is behind it, why do you want to paint it, what do you feel when you're painting it. You know, all these things are good to think about, and they will come out. Highlights, love highlights. Use them on a separate layer. You can knock the opacity back. You can erase away a little bit where you don't need it. Take advantage of layers. We're lucky to use them in digital. It's just another tool. It's not cheating. I'm now beginning to add the last little details to this piece. It's nearly finished. So it's not a full project by any means. It's just a bit of late night painting. Portraits I could not do 14 months ago, so I've been working really hard on this, and now my absolute favourite subject is portraits, and I just love doing them. So it just shows you put your mind to it, practice, hard work, you do get better. Hopefully I'll keep improving, and yeah. Last little things like flyaway hairs, the oily areas on the face, that bit of shine where it's oilier and the eyeballs are wet. And signature, and I'm finished. Thanks for watching and bearing with me. Don't forget to subscribe, there will be more coming soon. Bye.